Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your project management and team communication in one seamless workflow, making collaboration much more efficient. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to add integrations, as this will ensure the process goes smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp workspace. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation panel with various options. Look for and click on More. This section houses additional features and settings that aren't part of the main navigation. Once you click More, a submenu will appear with several choices. From these options, click on Apps. This is where ClickUp stores all its available integrations and add-ons that can enhance your workflow. Now you'll be taken to the apps marketplace within ClickUp. Here you'll see a wide variety of integration options that ClickUp supports. Your goal is to locate Microsoft Teams among these options. Browse through the available apps or use the search function if available to make this faster. Once you find Microsoft Teams, click on it to open the integration details page. On the Microsoft Teams integration page, you'll see information about what this integration offers and how it can benefit your workflow. Look for the button that says Connect and click it. This action initiates the integration process between ClickUp and your Microsoft Teams account. After clicking Connect, ClickUp will redirect you to another window. This is Microsoft's authentication page where you'll need to log in to your Microsoft account. This step is necessary because it allows ClickUp to securely access and communicate with your Teams workspace. Enter your Microsoft account credentials carefully. Once logged in, Microsoft may prompt you with some permission requests or additional steps to authorize the connection. Simply follow these prompts and grant the necessary permissions. This ensures that ClickUp can properly sync with your team's environment and function as intended. Once you've completed the authentication process on the Microsoft side, the window will automatically redirect you back to ClickUp. You'll notice that ClickUp now recognizes the successful connection. At this point, you should see either a Done or Next button on your screen. Click this button to finalize the integration setup. This confirms that everything has been properly connected and your ClickUp tasks and notifications can now flow seamlessly into Microsoft Teams. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Teams, creating a powerful connection between your project management and team communication platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.